You are calling your padro function, but not doing anything with that function call. All functions in JavaScript return a value, meaning they provide the defined result of calling them for you to use elsewhere. To see the result of calling your padro function, declare a call variable and assign your existing padro call to that variable. So this is our existing padro function call. So we are, rather, before that, we are to declare a call variable, but I will declare it with a keyword const with the variable name call assigned with the assigned function padro. So this is called, if I remember correctly, assignment function or assigning a function. I don't know, assignment. Wait, let me check. Assign JavaScript. Yeah, assignment. Anyways, so so and all I know is that this is used for simplicity because of the way we express it, or because of the way we declare a variable and we assigned a function to the variable. Because of this, it's expressed as more simplistic and readable. Yeah. Hmm. Anyways, that would be it.